Quora is one of the biggest websites in the world. It is actually a questions and answers platform. In this video, I will show you a secret way you can utilize Quora to add your affiliate links and get almost unlimited traffic. But you need to be careful, because if you don't follow all the steps in this video, your account can be banned, because Quora doesn't like affiliate links. Without further ado, let's get started. Here I am at Quora.com. If you don't have an account, you just go to Quora.com and create one. When you come in, you will see an interface that looks like this. There is a lot of questions and answers available. If you didn't have an account and your account is brand new, what I suggest you do is get answers for questions without adding any links for at least a week, so you warm up your account. Because Quora is pretty restrictive, and if they notice that you're just spamming your links everywhere, it will probably ban your account. So be careful. Answer other people questions, comment on answers, like and upvote the answers or the questions, follow people around, read articles and comment on them for at least a week. After that, we can use this strategy. I am in Make Money Online niche, so obviously I was searching Make Money Online. You can see, if you search, for example, for a term Make Money Online, you will be able to see if this question is good or not. Like the first one has 9,000 answers, the second one has 4,000. But there is a better way you can investigate your topic very fast, and that is by going to your profile and then into Ads Manager. Don't worry, we will not create any ads. We will just use the Ad Manager for the research. When you come here, click on a new campaign and just leave everything as is and click on continue. Then scroll down, select questions here and click on this little text bulk ad. And you will write your topic here. I will just write money for this example. If I continue, as you can see, you can now see questions to target ordered by weekly views, which is a very useful information, because if you put your answer on a question that nobody is looking for, there's no use of you adding any content there or affiliate link. So I will choose one of these questions just to show you how to actually use AI to generate human-like answers to these questions and how to add your affiliate link inside. For example, I will click on what is the best way to earn money online. When you come here, you can click on answer and add your answer here, but where to get the answer. So I will copy the question and I will go into the ChatGPT. But before that, if you don't have, please add AI-PRM extension. I will leave a link in the description in your Chrome browser to put your ChatGPT into beast mode. Let me show you. If I click new chat and let me just clear this filter here, you will get thousands upon thousands of prompts like this on any topic or activity. As you can see, copywriting, generative AI marketing, and whatever you need, you will get a prompt here. So what I tend to do, and I have a paid version, so I will use GPT-4 and I will search for Quora. I like this best Quora answers prompt. So just click it and write your question here. I will just paste it here and let it generate. I will pause this video and come back when the ChatGPT is finished. It's still generating, but I forgot to tell you, can change the tone to emotional here and writing style if you want. If you pay for this plugin, because you can get more of this. I think this is enough. It gets to the point. So what I will do now, so this is actually amazing. It gave me 14 ways to make money online. So I will just click this icon to copy this first part, and we will go back to Quora. Click answer. Oh, I have this problem a lot of time. If it doesn't work, you just refresh the page and try again. And so just paste it here. Remove this thing above, and you can format it better. For example, you can select this, click on this and bold it. And when you are done, don't forget to add your affiliate link. So at the end, I wrote, if you want to learn more about making money online, get this free course. I will select this text, click on the link icon, and I will enter my affiliate link. What I suggest to you, don't put direct affiliate links here, but build a funnel. You need to collect email addresses. Money is in the email list. So it would be better for you to know how all this works before doing this. Put a link to your funnel. If you don't know how to do the funnel, what to do, and how the affiliate marketing actually works, you can get a free course in my description below, and you will get the 8 steps to set all this up. You can even buy a done for you funnel that you just click and import, and everything will be set up for you. Then you can use this method. Remember, do this consistently. You will not earn thousands of dollars by answering one question on Quora. You need to show up. You need to be there every day for like a half an hour. Spend some time answering questions, commenting, doing good things for the community, and then answer some questions where you will put your affiliate links. I hope this video deserves a like, and please subscribe to get more money-making tips like this.